Hey guys, it's been a cold and drippy day, so we went out to the flea market and I found some new little Pound Puppy records. And I call them Pound Puppies because I don't think any of you guys would probably have picked them up, but they were only 50 cents or free. So I'll show you what I got and we're gonna play a game, Will It Play? So the first one I got, 50 cents, U2, Wide Awake in America. Like I said, 50 cents, and I went ahead and bought it, even though the cover is, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, the cover's jacked. It's terrible. But the record itself looks pretty good. I mean, it's scratchy, but I think for 50 cents, yeah, it's dirty, but it's a dirty bird, but I think it will play. So there's that one. A friend of ours who has a record store had this in the dollar bin. And I was like, why in the world is it in the dollar bin? Well, and he ended up just giving it to me for free, I think. Well, at most it was $1. Anyway, one side, perfect, lovely. The other side had candle wax melted on it and on several songs. So I don't know if you can see it on there, but the 5th song on this side, here it is, here's the big chunk. And I've tried to get most of it out. I don't know if you can see that, but there's candle wax all down in the grooves on those 2 songs. And the game is, will it play? So there's that test. And then I got Helen ready for 50 cents, but she's perfect. Somebody took care of Helen. Nobody partied hard around Helen. Poor Helen. Excuse me. I got this Wild Angels. Super excited to see this in the bin for 50 cents. Or was that one free? I think it was free also. It had dirt all over it. And I just washed it off with some water in my finger because I thought, I mean, it's 50 cents or free. But either way, it's worth giving it a go. It looks kind of sad. But we'll see. Will it play? And then this one is brand new, unopened, but that one was 50 cents. Pretty excited about that. Pretty excited to take that awful nasty shrink wrap off because it looks and smells nasty. And then I got Uriah Heep, and that one also was 50 cents, and it's all scratchy, but I think my old Hoopty record player, I think it can handle it. So let's see how she does. You guys, hope you're doing well, staying warm and dry. I'm not gonna say any more after this, so you guys take care, and we'll see, will it play?